Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to turn on silent mode on your phone. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Look for the sound icon or speaker icon in the quick settings menu. Tap on the icon until it switches to silent mode or shows a crossed out speaker symbol. Alternatively, you can press the volume button on the side of your phone and tap the silent option in the volume settings. That's it. Your phone is now in silent mode and all sounds are muted. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.